Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, rational numbers. First, the definition of natural numbers. All countable numbers are known as natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are called natural numbers. Now, whole numbers. Natural numbers. Now, whole numbers. All natural numbers starting with 0 are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are whole numbers. Now, integers. All whole numbers and negative of natural numbers are called integers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole numbers, and -1, -2, -3 and so on. These are negative of natural numbers. Hence, all these numbers are called integers. Now, rational numbers. The number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, -3 by 4, 5, 7, 0, -3 and so on. These are the examples of rational numbers. Now, properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property. If a and b are any two rational numbers, then a plus b is also a rational number. For example, 3 and 4 are rational numbers. Therefore, 3 plus 4 equal to 7 is also a rational number. Similarly, it is true for multiplication also. Yani, if 3 into 4 equal to 12, it will also be a rational number. Now, commutative property. Commutative property. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. Yani, there is no any effect of the order. There is no any effect of the order of the numbers on their addition. Suppose that, for example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. हम चाहे 2 plus 3 करें तो भी 5 आएगा, और 3 plus 2 करते हैं तब भी 5 आता है. यानी इनके ऑर्डर का, यानी आगे पीछे करने का, इनके एडिशन पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नेक्स्ट, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज आल्सो ट्रू फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आल्सो. a इंटू बी इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए. यानी फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2. In both cases, answer will be 6. Now, property number 3, that is associative property. If a, b and c are three rational numbers, then a plus in bracket b plus c equal to in bracket a plus b plus c. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 2 plus 3 in one bracket plus 4. We will use here BODMAS. Yani, first we have to solve the bracket. 3 plus 4 are in bracket, so first we will add these two numbers. That will be 4 plus 3, 7. Yani 2 plus 7. Here these two numbers are in bracket, so we will first solve it. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 4 9. Here we see that here is 9 and also here is 9, hence it is correct. It means it holds associative property a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. It is also true for multiplication also, यानी अगर यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई लगा दें और यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई लगा दें और ऐसे ही यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई और यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई लगा दें तो इस पर भी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा और ए भी इसको फॉलो करेगा. नाउ प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 4, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इफ a, b and c are rational numbers, then a into in bracket b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. यहाँ पर क्या है? इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. क्या हुआ? ए जो है दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इफ a, b and c are rational numbers, then a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. यहाँ पे बेटा a क्या है? एक बार b के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, फिर a c के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, यानी a नंबर b और c दोनों के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. सो वी कॉल्ड इट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4 implies that according to the rule of BODMAS we will add these two numbers. 4 plus 3 7, 7 to the 14. Here first we will multiply these two numbers, this into this and this into this. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Then we will add these two numbers. 6 plus 8 equal to 14. Since 14 equal to 14, hence it is correct. It means these three numbers holds distribution property. Tomorrow we will start exercise 1.1. Thank you and have a nice day.